this is my small artboard, and I'm going to show you it actually made this art, and this is a very good robot. Here it is a DC motor. This one is small and it has plastic cap. Well, and you can see there are 4 sketch pens here, and this is a eraser piece for vibration like this. This will happen vibration, see? And I'm going to run this, and these are the 4 caps for sketch pens. Listen, see how it makes an art. You can see this is a really good robot. It has actually made an art. So you can see, look it's art. Look, it's very good art. So we can do it also backsides. This is not over because this is, look, it's really like this. It will not let this robot to allow to